Dear students, today we will solve the given initial value problem using the Milne's predictor corrector formula. The statement of problem is given by compute the value of y at 0.4 by Milne's predictor corrector method, where y satisfies the following differential equation: dy by dt equal to 2 e की power t minus y, and the corresponding values of t and y are given as when t equal to 0 y is 2, when t equal to 0.1 this is 2.01, 0.2 2.04, 0.3 2.2. Suppose this value it is t0, it is t1, t2, t3. The values of y at T0, T1, T2, T3 are given by 2, 2.01, 2.04 and 2.09. Now, its solution is given by here. Here t equals to, this is 0.0, 0.1, this is 0.2, this is 0.3. Suppose this is T0, T1, T2 and T3. The corresponding values of y are given by, this is 2.0, this is 2.01, this is 2.04 and this is 2.09. So these values are y0, suppose here y1, it is y2 and y3. Now we have to find the value of y at t equals to 0.4. So here h equal to 0.1. We are taking h equal to 0.1. So the Milne's method is given by here dy by dt is it is 2 e की power t minus y. The Milne's method is given by the Milne's method is given by, this is y4 equals to y0 plus 4h by 3, this is 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. This is the predictor formula. The corrector formula is, this is y4, the corrector formula is, this is y2 plus h by 3 the corrector formula is y2 plus h by 3, this is y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus this is y4 dash. The corrector formula is this: y2 plus h by 3, y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. First of all, we calculate the predicted value of y at t equal to 0.4. Here we have this is dy by dt equals to 2 e की power t y. So therefore this is y dash, this is y dash. So we can say, first of all we need y1 dash. So this is y1 dash equals to 2 e की power t1 minus this is y1. Here 2 e की power t1, here t1 is 0.1 minus y1 is 2.01. After calculating these values, we have this equals to 0.2004. We can calculate this by the scientific calculator. Similarly, we can calculate y2 dash. This is 2 e की power t2 minus y2. After the putting value of t2, here t2 is 0.2 minus y2 is 2.04. Finally, this value is 0.4028, and this is y3 dash equals to, this is 2 e की power t3 minus y3. This is 2 e की power, here t3 is 0.3 minus y3 is 2.09. This equals to y3 dash is 0.6098. Therefore, finally, the value of y4 is given by hence the value of y4 equals to, this is y0 plus 4h by 3, this is 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Now substituting the values of y0, y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. Here y0 is 2 plus here h is 0.1 by 3. This is 2 into y1 dash is 0.2004 minus y2 dash is 0.4028 and plus 2 into y3 dash is 0.6098. This is y4. After simplifying this expression, finally we get the value of y4. This is 2.1623. This is the predicted value of y4. Now we have to correct this value of y4. So we use the corrector formula. Therefore, we can say y4 dash equals to, this is e की power t4 minus this is y4. Here t4 is 0.4, 2 times of this minus y4. y4 is, this is 2.1623. Finally, the value of y4 dash is 0.8213. This is the value of y4 dash, because we need the value of y4 dash in the corrector formula. Now we apply the corrector formula. The corrector formula is given by, this is y4, correct, the corrected value of y4 is given by, this is y2 plus h by 3, this is y2 dash plus this is 4 of y3 dash plus y4 dash. This is the corrector formula, y2 plus h by 3 plus y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. After putting the value here y2 is 2.04 plus h is 0.1, this is 3. Now we have to put the value y2 dash is 0.402 plus 4 into y3 dash is 0.6098 plus y4 dash is 0.8213. We have substituted the values of y2 dash, y3 dash and y4 dash. Finally, after simplifying, we get the corrected value of y4, which is 2.162. So therefore, we can say the value of y at t equal to 0.4 equals to 2.162. In the next lecture, we will take some another problems of some another initial value problems which are solved by Miller's predictor corrector formula. Thank you. Have a nice day.